Today's Dharma talk is going to be on the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Sutra 4.93. Back when studying the sutras, Patanjali told us that he defined yoga as a state of mind where the mind is completely calm. Well, here in the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, it explains to us how we attain that calm state of mind. So the sutra actually reads, "One who desires the highest yoga should thus explore the nada with an attentive mind and abandon all anxious thoughts." Well, what is it that this nada is that it's speaking of? Well, in Sanskrit, nada translate as sound. So what they're speaking of here is this sound, this internal sound, or our internal om, which many of the ancient texts refer to as being right here, right a little bit to the right of the heart. So it's funny because, it's not funny, but interesting that it's also located right in the same exact spot of the heart chakra, which we know as the Anahata chakra. And if we go back to that, Anahata means unstruck. So it's the only instrument that it can be played without being struck. You don't need to do anything, it just plays. So could we really have this sense of bliss, this personal bliss, this connection to source right here? It's there and it's playing all the time. And if it is, why can't we hear it? Well, that's what this Yoga Sutra is explaining to us. We can't hear it because we've got all these anxious thoughts. So we have to stop with those anxious thoughts. We have to slow down that monkey mind, that chatter brain, and all of those things that are really taking us away from our bliss, to get quiet, to go within. Now, will we hear it? When we hear it, will we hear it with our ears the same way as when we chant Om in class? It's described a little bit more as a vibration. It's more like a feeling. Once you hear that internal Om, it's more like your body feels it. It feels the vibration of that nadam. So let's try in meditation today to get real quiet, to let go of all of our anxious thoughts and see if we can tune in and hear that state of bliss, that nadam, that it resides in all of us and is connected to that wonderful source.